My name is Harry Adeni, the MDC of 3 Point Autotech. 3 Point Autotech is a one-stop shop where vehicle repairs takes place. We started off going to decades and then having 2 workshops in Lagos, and then of course we are one of the best because we have experienced, trained technicians that work on different departments of vehicles, ranging from mechanical repair, electrical, AC, bodywork, painting. Of course, we also do training for corporate institutions and then of course for technicians. And also, we always ensure we get new latest equipment to ensure we give quality service and also to meet our customer satisfaction. Workshop on the island, and then very soon we are going to announce a new workshop in Abuja. This is what I have for you today. Thank you.